Hello friends, welcome to my channel Moms and Kids. So today we are going to see a yummy, healthy and a tasty restaurant style mushroom soup which can be prepared easily at home. So let's start the recipe and see what ingredients are required. So the first ingredient is the button mushroom. I have used 200 grams of mushroom for this recipe and I am preparing this for 3 members. So according to that you can use your ingredients. Then we require 250 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder, 8 to 10 peppercorns and 3 cloves, salt according to your taste, and corn flour 1 tablespoon. And I have also sliced 2 medium sized onions roughly. I have just sliced them roughly. So again I will repeat what ingredients are required. So 200 grams of button mushroom, 250 ml of milk, salt, white pepper or black pepper powder, 8 to 10 peppercorns and 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 medium sized onions. I have just sliced them roughly. So these are the ingredients required to prepare our hotel style yummy mushroom soup. So here I am preparing this recipe for 3 members. So now we need to clean the mushrooms. So I will be showing how to clean the mushroom. First we need to remove the stem part of the mushroom very slowly. Be very slow in removing the stem part, and using the back part of the mushroom remove or peel the outer skin of the mushroom. It will come very easily. Don't apply any pressure, just do it slowly. So you need to remove the stem of the mushroom, and then using the back part of the mushroom just peel the outer skin of the mushrooms. Do the same to all the other mushrooms and clean the mushrooms and keep it ready. So you be slow in doing this process. Now take enough water in a bowl and keep it on the stove, and add a pinch of turmeric powder and let it come to boil. Once it boils, drop in all the mushrooms, and so that all the mushrooms are soaked well. So let it boil for somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes. So make sure all the mushrooms are soaked well inside the water. This is to ensure that the mushroom is cleaned properly, so that there are no dirt or any mud particles on the mushroom. So once we do this, we are going to filter this mushroom. So let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes in the turmeric water. Filter the mushrooms from the water. I have chopped mushrooms into medium sized pieces. 4 to 5 mushrooms I have sliced them to use it on the soup too. So boil the milk along with the peppercorns and the cloves so that all the flavors are infused completely in the milk. So that's the reason we are boiling the milk along with the peppercorns and the cloves, so that the flavors are distributed evenly. So let it boil. Once it boils, you can either filter the milk and use it to grind the soup, or you can also use it along with the peppercorns and the cloves. Now heat 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee in a saucepan. Sorry, I forgot to mention it earlier. Please use 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter in a saucepan. So once it is heated, we are going to add the onions and saute them until they become translucent or transparent in color. So this process is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. So I am also adding a little bit of salt to make this process faster. So adding salt is going to make this onions becoming translucent pretty fast. So once the onions have become translucent, we are going to add the chopped mushrooms. Only the chopped mushrooms I am adding. The sliced mushrooms we are going to keep it to decorate our soup. So now add in the mushrooms. So I am only using the chopped mushrooms. Add in the mushrooms along with the onions and saute it for 2 minutes. So let the mushrooms or the rawness of the mushrooms go. So once the rawness of the mushroom goes, So let it sort for 2 minutes. Just sort it for 2 minutes. So once the sorting of mushrooms is done, we are going to add the tablespoon of corn flour and mix it nicely along with the mushrooms and onions so that it is evenly distributed. And until the raw smell of the corn flour, we are going to just sort the mixture. Make sure the corn flour is distributed evenly among the mushrooms and the onions. So now once the raw smell or rawness of the corn flour is gone, we are going to add in half a tablespoon of pepper powder. So we are using 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. In that I am just using half of it. I am just using it now. So mix it nicely. Then add the pre-boiled milk. So I am adding it along with the peppercorns and the cloves. Anyway, we are going to grind this mixture. So we will not be getting those corns and cloves as it is, since we are grinding the mixture. So mix it well or stir it continuously to avoid the formation of the lumps. Make sure you are stirring the mixture completely without taking your hand even for a minute, else it will form lumps. So now see, you can make out the milk, the color of the milk is changed a little, and even the thickness of the milk has to change. So we have to stir it until the milk or the mixture becomes little thick in consistency. So now after the milk has reached the correct consistency, that is the milk has become thick, once the mixture is cooled down, we are going to grind this mixture into a fine puree. So I am just adding a little amount of water and grind it into a fine puree. So now here I have grinded it into a fine puree. Again I am adding it into the same saucepan and I am adjusting the consistency of the soup by adding a little amount of water. Again we are going to keep the soup for boiling. So this is going to take another 5 minutes. We are going to boil the soup until the soup has become thick in consistency, and so now you can also adjust the taste of the soup by adding more pepper or salt as per your requirement. You have to boil the soup until it becomes little thick. It has to be neither too thick nor too thin, the normal soup consistency. So now you can see the soup has become little thick in consistency. So until then the soup needs to be boiled. Make sure you are doing this boiling process in medium flame. Now our yummy and tasty hotel style mushroom soup is ready to be served. This is going to be very yummy. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further notifications. Thanks for watching, friends. Please do try this recipe at your home and let me all know how you all liked it in the comment section.